In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to navigation menu in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a standout call to action right in your site's main menu, perfect for things like Book Now, Contact, or Services. First, log in and open the website you want to edit so you're inside the Squarespace editor. From the left sidebar, open the Pages panel. This is where your main and secondary navigation items live, and where we'll add or modify the item you want to style as a button. Now, look at your navigation items and decide whether you want to make an existing page stand out or create a new one specifically for your call to action. Many Squarespace templates include a highlight or similar option that turns a navigation item into a button-style link. That's the setting we'll use. If you need a brand new item for this, add one from the Pages panel by choosing Add Blank. This creates a clean page without any layout blocks yet, which is great if you're only using it as a destination for the button. When prompted for the type, choose Page. This ensures it behaves like a normal page in your navigation. Give the page a clear, short name. In the demo, we type Highlight, but you should enter the actual call to action text your visitors will see, like Services, Book Now, or Get Started. Short labels work best in a top navigation and help keep your header tidy. Next, select the page you want to emphasize. For example, click on Services in your list. In the item's settings, enable the highlight option if it's available. When turned on, Squarespace applies a button-like style to that link in your main navigation. If the page isn't yet in your main navigation section, drag it there so it appears in the header. You can also drag to reorder it, placing your button at the far right or near the beginning depending on your design. A quick note on appearance: the exact look of the button, its color, shape, and hover style, follows your site's design settings. If your button doesn't stand out enough, you can later adjust your button styles in your site's design controls so the highlight treatment is more visible. That's it. You've opened your site, gone into Pages, created or selected the item you want, named it clearly, and applied the highlight so it shows as a button in your navigation. Preview your site to confirm the result, check that the label isn't too long, and view it on mobile to ensure it still looks clean.